We interrupt your regular broadcasting by the request of the government. Please listen to the following broadcast carefully as your life depends on it. We are currently experiencing a large-scale anomaly designated as endless roads. Major highways across the country are exhibiting a looping effect, causing travelers to become trapped in a repeating stretch of road. If you are stuck in one of these loops, immediately call emergency services. If you are currently on a highway, stay calm and pull over to a safe location as soon as possible. Do not attempt to drive or walk through any highways. Turn off your car engine and conserve fuel. Local authorities are working to understand and contain the endless roads anomaly. If you have information about a way out of the loop, please contact your local emergency services immediately. Stay tuned to local radio and television broadcasts for further updates. This is the end of the broadcast. You may turn off your television set now. Further updates will be provided as soon as we get them. Thank you.